You all love my zucchini bread recipe, so guess what? I turned it into muffins. So simple to make. I love muffins because they're more portable. These are freezable, they're perfect. You can add chocolate chips or nuts. These are delicious.
We're starting with 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Add 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're just going to stir that together. Once that's added together, you're adding 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, along with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Once that's all stirred together, you're going to add in your flour, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to shred your zucchini and add about 1.5 cups of shredded zucchini. It's about 1 medium or a small. I just shred it. You don't have to wring it out unless it's super wet or unless it's thawed from the freezer, then I would wring it out. Or if it's wetter than like normal zucchini, otherwise you shouldn't have to wring it out. And then you're going to stir that together until the nice muffin batter forms. You're going to add, this is when you would add your mix-ins, nuts, chocolate chips, blueberries, anything that you want. Scoop that into muffin pans. This makes about 12 muffins. I like to use muffin liners just so it's easier. Scoop that in. You're going to fill those about 2/3 full. Bake them at 350 until a toothpick comes out clean.
See how easy making muffins is? I love to pop these in little sandwich bags and pop them in the freezer. My daughter will grab one when she wants a snack or to put in her lunchbox. These are so easy to make and so good. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're gonna add. Chocolate chips, nuts, blueberries, what are you gonna add to your muffins? If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.